Hello students, welcome again. As you can see in this very short video, we'll discuss some other personality attributes or traits that are highly relevant and important to organizational behavior. These personality traits should be familiar to you. So now, without wasting any time, we will start our discussion. You will find many people around you who are highly confident about their capabilities. They see themselves as effective and in control of their environment, which means that they believe that if they try hard enough, they can achieve many things and they have the potential to do that. These types of people are known to have positive core self evaluation. On the other hand, or on the contrary, people having negative core self evaluation are totally opposite than the people who have positive core self evaluation. How? Because the people who have negative core self evaluation, they always consider themselves inferior and do not have any confidence in their capabilities. People having high or positive core self evaluation set higher goals for them since they believe they are highly capable to achieve more than average performer or average level performance. They not only set ambitious goals but also keep trying or persist longer to reach their goal. Setbacks do not discourage them from pursuing their goals. As a result, these people can confidently serve the customer better. Because of their positive attitude, their colleagues get a positive vibe from them, and this makes them more popular co-worker. These types of people also succeed more in their career. Next, we can find many people around us who can easily adjust their behavior depending on the situations. They are so good at adapting themselves to different environments, different surroundings, that sometimes you may face difficulty in believing that they are the same person. Sounds complicated, right? Don't worry. I'll use a very familiar analogy to make you understand this personality trait. Think about yourself. Do you exhibit the same behavior in front of your father as you do in front of your close friends? Some of you may claim that you have a friendly relation with your father and you do not adjust or modify your behavior to please your father. If you belong to this category, you are said to have low self-monitoring. But trust me, most of us are not like that. Actually, we become a totally different submissive person in front of our fathers. And when we interact with our friends, we become a different person. Here, we will be termed as having high self-monitoring. Similar things happen inside an organization. There are many high self-monitoring employees who can quickly adjust their behavior in front of different bosses or different situations. Suppose one of the bosses likes introvert people, and the person that has high self-monitoring, he or she will start behaving like an introvert in front of that boss to please him. And suppose another boss like extrovert people more. Now the same high self-monitoring person, now he or she will try to behave like an extrovert in front of that second or particular boss. This is how self-monitoring people adjust their behavior. They always think about who likes what and they try to modify their behavior to please different people or different situation. Okay? So, by applying this strategy, this type of people receive better performance ratings from their bosses. Logical, right? And they also get more promotions in their career. And these types of people also have higher chances of taking leadership positions in organizations. However, because of their behavior keeps changing, many people do not also trust and like this type of people. These self-monitoring people are also found to be less committed towards their organization. People do not trust them, and they are also not highly committed towards their organization. This is what research says. So now we move on to the last personality trait, not only of this video, but also of this whole chapter discussion. It is known as proactive personality. There are some people who do not wait for things to happen. Rather, they make things happen. They try to predict the future and try to be ready to face the future better. Think about some of the students who do not wait for the teacher's class to start their reading. Rather, they try to look at the course outline before coming to the class and try to go through the materials beforehand before coming to the class where that topic will be discussed. In this way, they can not only digest the information the teacher delivers easily, but also they can ask the more advanced questions which strengthen their learning. They are the ones who are known to have proactive personality. We can use another workplace related example to better understand about proactive personality. Suppose a CEO of an organization is planning to hold a meeting in which one of its two most trusted managers will be given the lead role in a future big project. Assume that one manager is a proactive person, another one is just a reactive person. Here, the reactive manager will wait for the meeting day to prove that he will be a good choice for the role. On the other side, the manager who is proactive or the proactive manager will not wait for that day. He will start doing something from the day he got this information about the project. He will most likely start collecting detailed information about the project even before being asked to do so. He may also prepare some type of analysis and strategies for the project and share his or her findings with his or her boss before the meeting day. By doing that, he or she will increase the chances of being selected for the role in the project. So now, it is somewhat clear that proactive person or proactive people identify opportunities, show initiatives, take actions, and keep going until meaningful change occurs. This type of people also record a higher level of job performance and job satisfaction. They also engage in more networking behavior and show more commitment toward the organizations, just like the proactive manager we talked about in the two manager example, right? So, having said that, I conclude this video. Hope to return again soon. Thank you again for your patience.